This is the autofocus unmetal laser cutting head. This machine head could cut the curved surface, not only flat surface. It can cut unflat surface. This machine is matched with a servo motor. Now this brand servo motor, Innovance, and its gear transfer. With CCD could cut 100 by 100 millimeter size design pattern. It can record granite. And this machine laser tube is used xinrui brand metal cell. xinrui 350 watt. Inside there are two glass tubes. And this autofocus laser head, there is a digital panel. This is for the autofocus function, open and close. This is for speed set. Original back, menu. And this is the machine panel, radar system. And there are the switches, laser light, exhaust fan, key, USB, and the mainboard motherboard. The cabinet is installed in front of the machine. There is the laser source, and the Huichuan in a driver.